guys! Tonight, we will go to food park. Cavite. Hi guys! Tonight, we will go to food park. Let's go! Hi guys! We are here in Food Barn. Food Barn is the biggest food park in South. It is located in Salitrandas, Marinas, Cavite. Now I'm gonna show you what's inside. They have here seafood and Tapsilog. They also have a band here and also a bar. As you can see, there are many people visit here in Food Barn, and it's really big. And now we already ordered some beer. In here now, I have a pizza in a cone. This one is Hawaiian flavor. It's 48 pesos. And then I'm gonna show you if the taste is good and if it's worth it or not. The dough is a little bit soft and not easy to chew. My 48 pesos, I think it's not worth it. But it's okay. It's just a normal pizza. And here now, I have a tteokbokki and spicy garlic chicken. And Odeng. I have the Odeng here. They said if you dip the Odeng into a soy sauce, it's more delicious. So let's try. The Odeng is really soft and delicious. I bought the Odeng for 100 pesos and it's 3 pieces. It's really soft. In here now, I'm gonna try the tteokbokki. Tteokbokki is really famous in Korea street food. The rice cake is so soft and it's a little bit spicy. Now I'm gonna try the Odeng. Tteokbokki also have a Odeng. The spiciness and the chewy part of the rice cake, it's combined everything in tteokbokki. If you visit Food Barn, you should buy the tteokbokki because it's really delicious, and it also has an egg. I really like tteokbokki. And here now, we already ordered spicy garlic chicken. This is 6 pieces and it's 160 pesos. Now I'm gonna try, and the smell is good but a little bit bitter, maybe because of the toasted garlic. The size of the chicken is just a normal size and it's soft. All in all, the chicken is just a normal and it's okay. In here now, I'm here in Ice Cream Lab. I'm gonna buy a dragon's breath. It's really famous in Instagram and it's 150 pesos. It's a little bit pricey, but I think it's worth it because it's really unique and it's Instagrammable. That dragon breath is it's a chiffon cake, and then they just add nitrogen, so they have a special effect like that. If you visit the food barn, don't forget to visit the ice cream lab, and it's really cool and it's really good. If you like our video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time!